Orec's been a great company to work with from the dealer side. They're always willing to listen to us, and they're constantly developing new equipment and new ideas.
Over the years, we've seen a lot of changes in the landscaping business. Most landscaping companies are facing a real labor shortage, and they're looking for their equipment to be more productive with less machines.
Orec has the Garden Quake tiller that's a full professional version of a rototiller. You get a heavier duty commercial engine, you get an overall heavier duty machine for commercial customers looking to do rototilling, or even the homeowner that just wants a better piece of equipment than you can find anywhere else.
The Brush Rover is a ride-on brush cutter that's available in either two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. It's able to cut through 2-inch saplings and up to 6-foot tall grass. Usually when referring to the Brush Rover, most people refer to it as the King Kong of all the brush mowers that exist. It's able to clear out large patches of brush very quickly and easily.
The Cyclone Flail Mower is a walk-behind, track-driven flail mower that can take down 1 3/4 saplings and any other kind of field grass you want and mulch it up into nothing and keep on going. The Samurai is a traditional rotary brush cutter with added options like the front wheel to make it more maneuverable around trees and obstacles, and with the full commercial engine to make it more durable.
Orec has the Snow Rhino, which is a stand-on zero-turn commercial snowplow. Awesome for snow removal businesses that are looking to clear out sidewalks or store frontages. There's a lot of advantages that this has over a snow thrower. Number one, you're able to put the snow where you want it instead of just throwing it anywhere. And you're also able to push it into a parking lot for a snowplow to come by and take it. There's a lot of the customers that are using these machines to clear out malls, apartment complexes, and other businesses.
The Trailblazer Transporter is a great heavy-duty material mover. It'll go through commercial man doors, it'll go upstairs, it'll go over obstacles. You can haul up to 650 pounds. It's got expandable or removable sides to haul large pieces of lumber or any other material that you want to get onto the job site that you can't do with your big piece of equipment.
The Orec Snowball is a walk-behind tracked snow pushing machine. It's great for sidewalk use, storefronts, and small parking lots. It can also be used in commercial applications and residential as well.
Some of the advantages of the Snowball: it's got a dual track drive. The blade can be angled at several different positions, and the side wings can be removed to be able to push snow even better one direction or the other. The track drive allows you to go almost anywhere with this piece of equipment. No slipping on ice, no problems on hills. It'll do anything.
Since we picked up Orec, the company has been great to work with on the dealer end, as well as giving great customer support. And we're really looking forward to expanding our relationship with any new products that they're coming out with in the future.